Jessica woke up early. The sun was bright. She looked at the clock. It was 7 in the morning. Today was a very big day. Today was her first part-time job. She was 19 years old. This was a new adventure. Jessica felt happy. She also felt a little nervous. She put on her best shirt. She brushed her long hair. She looked in the mirror and smiled. "Be calm, Jessica," she said. Her job was at the Sunny Spot Café. It was a warm, friendly place near her house. She ate a small, quick breakfast. She took her bag and left the house. Jessica walked slowly down the street. She took a deep breath. Jessica arrived at the cafe door. It had a sign that said, "Welcome." She opened the door carefully. The cafe smelled of fresh coffee and bread. It was very quiet inside. A man was wiping the counter. He was tall and friendly. This was Liam, the manager. Liam smiled when he saw Jessica. "Hello, Jessica. I am very happy you are here." Jessica walked closer to the counter. "Hello, Liam. I am happy to be here. I'm ready to learn." Liam gave her a friendly nod. "Good. We will start slowly. First, let me show you your uniform." Liam walked to a small back room. Jessica followed him. Liam gave Jessica a green apron. The apron was clean and new. It had the Café Best logo, a small, smiling sun. "Please put this on," Liam said. Jessica put the apron over her shirt. It fit her well. "Now, meet Maya," Liam said. A young woman with short, dark hair came out of the kitchen. Maya smiled very big. "Welcome, Jessica. I work here every Saturday." Jessica smiled back at Maya. "It is nice to meet you, Maya. I am new, so please tell me everything." Maya laughed. "Of course. I will show you the simple things first. Do you like coffee?" Maya took Jessica to a big machine. The machine was tall and silver. It was the coffee machine. Maya showed Jessica all the buttons. "This button makes hot water. This button makes steam for the milk. We make many, many types of coffee." Jessica looked at the machine. It looked complicated. "Wow! It has many parts," Jessica said quietly. Maya held a coffee cup. "Yes, but it is easy after practice. First, we learn the simplest drinks. Can you find the sugar bowls? They need to be full and clean." Jessica was happy. This was an easy first job. Jessica went to a big shelf. She found the sugar bowls. They were small and white. Some of the bowls were empty. She took a big bag of white sugar. Carefully, she poured the sugar into the bowls. She did this slowly. Jessica wanted to be neat. Always keep the tables ready for customers, Maya said. Maya gave Jessica a spray bottle and a clean cloth. This bottle has cleaner. Now, wipe all the tables. Jessica took the cloth and the spray. She walked to the first table. She sprayed the tabletop. Jessica wiped the first table. She wiped the second table and the third table. The cafe started to look very clean. Jessica felt proud of her work. She liked the smell of the cleaner. Suddenly, the front door opened quickly. 2 people came in. Then 3 more people came in. The cafe was not quiet anymore. Liam started taking orders at the counter. Maya quickly started making lattes and cappuccinos. Jessica looked at the tables. The cafe was busy now. She felt a small rush of worry. She stood still for a moment. Liam saw Jessica standing there. "Jessica, can you help this customer?" Liam pointed to a woman standing near the door. Jessica walked to the woman. She stood tall. "Hello. Welcome to the Sunny Spot Cafe. What can I get for you today?" The woman smiled kindly. "Hello, dear. I would like 1 simple black coffee, please. Small size." Jessica nodded. She held a small notepad. She wrote down the order carefully. 1 black coffee, small. "Thank you. That will be $3. The woman gave Jessica the money. Jessica gave the money to Liam and told him the simple order. Maya quickly made the simple black coffee. She put the hot cup on the counter. "Black coffee for the customer," Maya said. Jessica took the cup carefully. She walked to the woman's table. She put the coffee down slowly. "Enjoy your coffee," Jessica said. The woman said, "Thank you very much." Jessica turned to go back to the counter, but she did not see a small spoon on the floor. Trip! Jessica's foot hit the spoon. A pitcher of cold milk that was on a tray next to her wobbled. Splash! The milk fell a little on the floor. Jessica felt her face get hot. Oh no! Her first little mistake. Liam came over quickly. He did not look angry. He smiled softly. "It happens, Jessica. Do not worry. We keep the cleanup supplies right here." Liam showed her a cabinet. Jessica got a mop and a towel. She cleaned the milk very fast. She made the floor dry and clean again. Maya walked over when the rush ended. "You fixed it quickly. That is the best part of the job, fixing mistakes fast." Jessica felt the worry go away. "Yes, I must watch for spoons on the floor next time." It was 4 o'clock. Jessica's first shift was finished. She felt very tired, but she felt happy. She took off her green apron. She said goodbye to Maya and Liam. "You did a great job today, Jessica," Liam said. "See you next Saturday." Jessica walked out of the Sunny Spot Café. The sun was still shining. She walked home slowly. Her legs were tired from standing. Her brain was full of coffee names and cleaning lists. She smiled to herself. Her first job was good. It was warm, and it was friendly. She was ready for tomorrow.